Edit faster. Hurry up!
You're actually pathetic.
We've only got till Wednesday. Seriously.
It's like you don't care.
You're as shit at this as you are at everything else, Jack. You low-life, filthy, pathetic piece of... Oh, hi! Didn't see you there. You know, we've had a lot of fun tonight, but this is also a serious film about issues we thought were important to discuss in our work.
That's right, Henry. We hope you enjoyed the show tonight and had a few laughs along the way, but it's really important to remember the real message behind A Bird in Hand. And that is, don't let birds into the house, sir!
We know many birds can seem cute and harmless at first, but many are merely pretending to be this way in order to gain your trust.
And that's when they strike.
Did we tell you to talk? No. Get back to editing, please. Anyway, we thought it might be fun if we showed you some of the outtakes from the film. You know, all the times we messed up and that.
Ooh, I bet they bloody love that.
Of course they would. Should we do it? Should we look at the times we messed up and that?
Ah! Oh my god!
What? Sorry, were you acting then? Because I
Yeah.
thought I'd just hit you.
Yeah, no. That's your excuse, is it? Thought I was out of the house, you thought you'd make your move, did you? Cool. From the top.
Yeah.
You're meant to be running!
Yeah, look at those two just walking like that. Yeah, get some exercise done, fatty. Fatty.
I saw her fall!
She's not your property!
Guest star appearance. Lakeside Theatre. Shut up, Henry!
To see it. Remember, kids, don't try this at home. Oh! I could do with rolling more, I think.
You need to put her outside.
Is that right?
I think I might.
What is the line?
It's none of your business.
Ignore him. Remember what Mum said. He's not worth it.
Wow, look at the swing on this kid. That's major league level right there. Action.
Action! Action! Action!
Action. Action.
Action! Action!
And action.
Action! Action!
Action.
Action! Action! Action!
Yeah, I'm just gonna say it. They killed him. They killed the bird.